And hello guys, and after a long time I'm back with another video. In this video you will be learning how to make a table of content for your Google Docs. Because Google Docs have been quite popular lately because well, it's free for use and mostly very easy. So without wasting further time, let's just start making a table of content. So this is a document that I just copied from Wikipedia, and as you see, this is of 3 pages, and I will just uh, convert these headings to, well, the headers, heading 1, 2 and 3, and then after that I will just shift it to the top of this page as a table of content. So for example, I will just first make an empty space for uh, table of contents. For that I will just come to insert. First of all, bring the mouse here, come to insert, and in this insert form come to the break part and insert page break. What happens is, now that you have shifted to the next page, now come back to the previous page. In here now you can just shift it right here. Okay, it doesn't matter, but okay, now you can just, you have to do one thing, that you have to start. Okay, so let's just give it a name. I have forgotten that. It should be introduction. It should be introduction. Sorry about my spellings today. So introduction. Now we'll have to just convert all of these into headings, respective headings, heading 1, 2 and 3. You will see what I mean by that. So just select this portion, this introduction part right here, then come to this format command, and in format command come to the paragraph styles, and in this paragraph style come to heading 1, apply heading 1. So now this is a heading. Similarly, you can come to the history part, come to the format, paragraph styles, heading 1, or you can do the control alt plus 1 command, just like the one right here. You can do that too. Similarly, come to this part, platforms, format, paragraph styles, heading 1, apply heading 1. In here now I have a main heading and then a subheading. So what I will do here is, I will just select this part, come to the format command, heading 1, and this guy I will come to the format command, then the paragraph style, heading 2. This comes out to be heading 1 and heading 2. Okay, now come to the explore command. In this explore command I will come back to this again, and I will just do the heading 2 command here, and I think 2 more left, so just bear with me. This is all gonna be worth it. And then this reception command will just come back in here and heading 2. So with all of these set up in the right place, all we have to do right now is come to the first page, and in here come to the insert command, and the table of contents, just press this guy, and hello and welcome, and you have got a table of contents. So this is the video, guys. Please subscribe to this channel for more amazing content, and thank you.